Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. I was just about to do a bench update video and I walked out to the mailbox, saw a package on the front porch, and I had a little something special in the mail too. So I want to add those to this video as well, and they're really cool. Stick around. A couple of months ago, we got this shop card from Jim over at Papa's Model Workshop. Now, if you're not familiar with Papa's Model Workshop, you need to head over there and meet Papa and let him show you his workshop. It's really a fun channel. He's a great builder, by the way, and he just finished a couple of great videos on weathering using the Tamiya weathering mediums along with several others, and it's really good information, really good stuff. Always enjoy seeing techniques that other people are using because, hey, I'm never too old to pick up anything new. And the reason I broke out the shop card was got a little something in the mail today from Jim. And Jim, thank you so much. Some stickers for Papa's Model Workshop. How about that? Love the Route 66. Love the old school look. Jim, again, thank you so much for that. One of these will be going on the new pad that I'm probably going to put down in December, or maybe the first of the year. Appreciate that very, very much. Guys, again, head over, show him some love. Papa's Model Workshop. Also in the mail was a package from our buddy Robert Zeitz. And check this out. Jewel picker. I have never thought about this. I started thinking as soon as I saw this tip. And it's designed, as you see, to pick up jewels and things like that. So it's more of a craft-related thing. But you know what? A lot of our tools are just that, too. I use surgical tweezers, forceps, all kinds of stuff like that that weren't specifically designed for model car building or model building, but hey, there's uses in all kinds of stuff. And normally what I use to, let's say, put on photo etch or photo etch bolt heads specifically, is I'll just moisten the tip of a Q-tip, or excuse me, a toothpick, and just touch it and pray that it stays on it until I get it over to the little glue dot to put it on. Well, with this, I don't think I'm going to have to worry about that. So I'll be giving you a little review on that, but it makes all the sense in the world that this would be perfect for that. Robert, thank you so, so much. I truly appreciate this because I love tools. Also in that box, Robert sent this, and I was so excited. I think Amanda thought I was a kid in here again. But you probably remember this. Let me back off here a little bit. The 1/16 scale 1973 Dodge Charger. This is the old MPC kit, 1/16. Check that thing out. I built one of these years ago, and I actually ended up giving it to a friend of mine who is a huge Petty fan too. And I just never replaced mine. And now there's no reason for me not to. Actually, I've already written this on my build list. And whenever I get to it, but that I remember this thing is pretty accurate in that I remember like the battery box used to be right here, right in front of that driver's side tire, just like in the late 60s when they started doing that. There's just so much in this thing that is so accurate. And there's a few things that'll need to be modified, but hey, that's what we do as modelers. But that big old 16th scale, I haven't built a big scale car in eons. So this kind of has me excited too. But Robert, again, buddy, thank you, thank you, thank you. What an awesome gift. And he picked this up, by the way, at the show that we gave a shout out for a week or two ago, the Classic Plastic Show. And he put in his little note there that he thought about me when he saw that, and I super appreciate it. I'm very humbled by that. But again, Robert, thank you so, so much. What an awesome gift. I really appreciate it. All right. Next up, I promised someone I would give them one final shout out, and that's for a show this weekend Saturday, October the 18th in Norfolk, Virginia. This is the Tidewater Automotive Modeler Society's 33rd annual show. There's your address there in Norfolk. And if you want to get your entry forms, things like that, there's your QR code. You can scan that. Or go to the Facebook page for the Tidewater Automotive Modeler Society, and you can get that information there. I have been to this show in years past, and this is a great club, and they do a class show. So if you are in that area, I hope you can make it. Sadly, I'm not going to make it this year because I'm still gearing up and excited about my biggest and favorite show of the year, and that is the Acme Atlanta Car Modeling Enthusiast Southern Nationals in Cartersville, Georgia, just north of Atlanta. Some great themes this year. The 100th birthday, 100 years of Mopar. And y'all know I love Mopar and drag racing. Of course, I'm any kind of racing person, but there's your information, October 25th, Saturday after next. I am so excited about this one. It's at the Clarence Brown Conference Center in Cartersville, Georgia. Also, if you get there a day earlier, and try to make sure that you do so you can hit the Savoy, the auto museum there. Always some absolutely awesome stuff. They are a big supporter of the Acme gang as well as the Southern National. So just a great bunch of people down there. And the guys in Atlanta always put on a class show, first rate. I love hanging out Friday night when we get there at the host hotel around the fire pit out on the patio area or in the lobby there. It's just always a great time. They have refreshments leading up to, and I get to see so many guys from around the country that I only get to see maybe once or twice a year occasionally, like in NL East or something. But this is where I get to see most of them, and I get to meet up with so many of new guys that are there for a change. And I just so look forward to this event every single year. And then on Saturday evening after the show, we meet back at the host hotel around the fire pit and just kind of wind down, laugh, and have some fun. Talk about the treasures we picked up at the vendors, which is a whole nother subject when we talk this show, because the vendors are outstanding and they're from all around the country. Just a big show and a great show. I love the cars, I love the vendors, but most of all, I love meeting you guys there and just having a blast. That's it on the show shout-outs and that goodies. I really hope I'll see you in Cartersville next week. The other thing was, I don't know where I put it. I'll be debuting the Mustang. The plan was the day before I go down, I'll be doing the debut on it. However, I had a little accident. I was doing a final test fit on something, and I snapped not one, but both of the A-pillars. I was flexing the body out to get it on there nice and easy, and don't know what I was thinking. Don't know how it happened, to be honest with you, but I snapped both of those A-pillars. I think it is fixable. It's something I'm working on now, so hopefully I'll have that done here, hopefully by the weekend, if all goes well. So we'll see. Something I think I'm forgetting, but at the moment, that's it. Guys, I hope y'all have an absolutely awesome remainder of your week. And again, if you're in the North Carolina, Maryland, anywhere near Norfolk, or you can make that show, hey, show some support to the guys. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. God bless. I'll see you in the next one.